Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chantal Mahadil. Thank you for viewing. So for today's look, I'm continuing with my ABH series. I'm gonna be using the Norvina palette. And this is what it looks like. And I created this very, I want to say soft, whimsical, but then I also want to say like abstract. I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comments. But this is what I created. And for those of you that don't know, my favorite color is purple, so I'm living for this look. For my skin, I just wanted to keep it very fresh, very simple. So yeah, okay, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so continuing with the ABH series, for today's video I'm gonna use the Norvina palette, and I'm gonna be using like the purples and the pink one, and yeah, I'm gonna do something real cute, real simple, you know what I mean. I have an idea what I want to do, but I don't know if it could come out that way, you know what I mean. So let's play. Okay, so to prep my eyes, I'm going in with the Lash Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I'm going in with the Peel Erase Base in Ruma 0.5. I have no clean brushes. Okay, so the first shade I'm going in with is Drama, and I'm gonna put that like in this little socket area right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer edge of my eye in the shape of like a little wing. You'll see. And I'm taking like a little flat brush, and I think I'm gonna wet it a little bit, just setting spray. And now we're gonna create like a little wing shape on the end. And I'm not taking it in all the way, just right till like the middle part of the eyelid. Okay, so now with a small brush, I'm gonna go in with a little bullet brush like this, and I'm gonna take Celestial, this one, and I'm gonna hopefully not mess this up. I'm gonna like blend like right there. So basically we just blend in the dark purple with the light purple. Okay, so now on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take Wild Child, and I'm gonna put that like on my lid. Okay, moving on to skin. Going in with the Laura Mercier primer. Okay, now going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Lotion. Okay, y'all, this phone really playing me today, but I went in with the Pure Release BB cream. That's what I have on my face right now, and I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger to conceal my marks. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Pot. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that under my eyes first, and then I'll go in and brighten. Okay, and to highlight, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. To contour, I'm going in with my MAC Pro Conceal, and I'm taking the shade NW43. For some reason, this NW43 and this NW45 is weird, because this NW43 seems darker than this NW45. See what I mean? Okay, so I went in with the Laura Mercier under my eyes, and I'm not gonna let it bake because I want my skin to look a little more dewy than matte for this look. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Cinnamon, and I'm gonna use that as a blush. Maybe I should not have applied that like that. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Iconic London Illuminator, and this is in the shade Original. Okay, now I'm going in with this Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC. I just use it as a blush and a highlighting one. Okay, so now I'm going in with a little bit of Refined Golden from MAC. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm going in with this Estee Lauder Double Wear Pencil in the shade Night Violet. It's a really pretty purple. Okay, so now I'm going in with Drama and run that on my lower lash line. Okay, so to highlight my inner tear duct, I'm gonna take Dreamer. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Obsessed. I don't know, you'll get fed up by me saying obsessed because I'm always obsessed with something. Never someone, but something. Yeah, I'm just living for like this little baby wing, these purple shades. You know what I mean? This lip, baby. Anyways, links to everything will be in the description bar down below. Don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to come back and vibe. Bye guys.